السلام علیکم، زم عبید الله او تاسو ته په یو ال انګلیش کې ویلکم وایم. په نننۍ ویډیو کې به زه تاسو ته اصل د انګلیش هغه سنټنسز ټیچ کوم چې موږ په خپل روزمره ژوندۍ کې ډیر زیات یوز کوو. که چېرته تاسو دا سنټنسز یاد کړئ او بیا په دې باندې پریکټس وکړئ نو زما دا یقین دی چې تاسو انګلیش به نور هم بهتر شي. نو د ټایم د ضایع کېدو نه بغیر راځئ چې موږ خپل کلاس سٹارټ کړو. هغه په کور کې نشتا. He is not at home. He is not at home. زدا نشم کوله. I can't do it. I can't do it. ما سره وخت نشتا. I don't have time. I don't have time. What happened to you? What happened to you? زتا سره وعده کوم. I promise to you. I promise to you. خپل خوله بند کړه. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. دا ډیر زیات دی. This is too much. This is too much. زما انتظار وکړه. Wait for me. Wait for me. آیا ته زما په خبره پیښ وې؟ Did you get my point? Did you get my point? یو بل. One more. One more. زما لاسونه ګنده دي. My hands are dirty. My hands are dirty. دا ستا دپاره دی. It's for you. It's for you. څه مصیبت دی. What the heck. What the heck. لږ سایډ ته شه. Move aside. Move aside. فضول مه کښېنه. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. آیا هغې تا ته خپله تنخوا درکړه؟ Has he paid your salary? Has he paid your salary? ما مه پریشانه کوه. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. ورک شه. Get on. Get on. قسمت په ما مهربان دی. The fortune is smiling on me. The fortune is smiling on me. دا د چا دپاره دی. Who is this for? Who is this for? په آرام کښېنه. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. په الله یقین وکړه. Have faith in God. Have faith in God. ما نه هیر شو. I forgot. I forgot. آیا زه څه ویلی شم؟ Can I say something? Can I say something? دا زما شرافت دی. It is my decency. It is my decency. د اوبو بوتل بیگ کې کېږده. Put the water bottle in the bag. Put the water bottle in the bag. مه جاړه. Don't cry. Don't cry. زه په دې وخت کې مصروف یم. I'm busy at the moment. I'm busy at the moment. تا ته څنګه پته ده؟ How do you know? How do you know? آیا ته ټوخیږې؟ Do you have cough? Do you have cough? زما طرف ته وګوره. Look at me. Look at me. ته انګلیش زده کولی شي. You can learn English. You can learn English. ستا د خوښې لوبه کومه ده؟ Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite game? د هغې ناسته پاسته غلطو خلکو سره ده. He is in bad company of people. He is in bad company of people. زه به پوره کوشش کوم. I will try my best. I will try my best. هغې ته لامبو نه ورځي. He doesn't know how to swim. He doesn't know how to swim. ما کتاب الټا کړو. I turned the book upside down. I turned the book upside down. کتاب سیده کړه. Turn the book right side up. Turn the book right side up. هغه الټا پروت دی. He is laying on his stomach. He is laying on his stomach. ما ته د ښار ګوډ معلوم دی. I know every inch of the city. I know every inch of the city. ستا ملګري تا ته ولاړ دي. Your friends are waiting for you. Your friends are waiting for you. سبا په کلاس کې یوازې وا. Saba was alone in the class. Saba was alone in the class. زه ستا کتلو ته روزانه راتلم. I came to see you every day. I came to see you every day. زه ستا ډیر غټ فین یم. I'm big fan of yours. I'm big fan of yours. په دې با ډیر ټایم لګي. It will take plenty of time. It will take plenty of time. ما سره دومره پیسې نشتا. I don't have that much money on me. I don't have that much money on me. 5 بجې ته چرته وې. Where were you till 5 o'clock? Where were you till 5 o'clock? زه په 5 بجې کور وم. I was at home till 5. I was at home till 5. ته زما خبره ولې نه اورې؟ Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? ته څو ځله لاهور ته تللی یې؟ How many times have you been to Lahore? How many times have you been to Lahore? زه یو سایکل په کرایه باندې اخیستل غواړم. I would like to rent a bicycle. I would like to rent a bicycle. که تا ته زما ضرورت وي نو ووایه. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. زه به هغې سره د دې باره کې خبره وکړم. I'll talk to him about this. I'll talk to him about this. زه به په 5 ورځو کې کور ته ځم. I'm going home in 5 days. I'm going home in 5 days. زه په خپله نوې نوکرۍ کې ډېر خوشحاله یم. I'm much happier in my new job. I'm much happier in my new job. بخښنه غواړم ما نه ستا نوم هیر شو. I'm sorry I have forgotten your name. I'm sorry I have forgotten your name. زه په یو نوی کتاب باندې کار کوم. I'm working on a new book. I'm working on a new book. آیا دلته نږدې سټور شته؟ Is there a store near here? Is there a store near here? آیا ستا کور د دې کور په رنګ دی؟ Is your house like this one? نن با ګرمي وي. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. ما په دې ګاډي باندې ډېرې پیسې برباد کړې. I have wasted a lot of money on this car. I have wasted a lot of money on this car. سنان به سبا په چوټی ځي. Sanan is going on vacation tomorrow. Sanan is going on vacation tomorrow. زمان یا تیر کال وفات شوا. My grandmother passed away last year. My grandmother passed away last year. زما کور بینک سره خوا کې دی. My house is close to the bank. My house is close to the bank. اوس هغې سره د خبرو کولو صحیح وخت نه دی. Now isn't a good time to speak to him. Now isn't a good time to speak to him. ما خپل پرس چرته ایښی. Where did I put my purse? Where did I put my purse? زما خوله مه کولاوهه. Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. نن سبا ډېره زیاته یخني ده. It's freezing nowadays. It's freezing nowadays. خپل کار ختم کړه. Finish your work. Finish your work. د ګاډي نه کوشه. Get off the car. Get off the car. بیټري د ختمېدو والا ده. The battery is about to run out. The battery is about to run out. ډېر ټایم مخکې. A long time ago. A long time ago. آیا هغوی یو رنګي دي؟ Are they the same? Are they the same? آیا ته یریږې؟ Are you afraid? Are you afraid? زه لږ وروستو راځم. I come in a while. I come in a while. د هغې نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. خپل اوقات کې اوسه. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. زه یریږم. I'm getting nerves. I'm getting nerves. بهانې مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. ما تا سره څه بد کړي. What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? د هرې خبرې یو خپل حد وي. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. ستا بچی ډېر ښکلي دي. You have lovely children. You have lovely children. زما په خیال چې مونږ مخکې ملاو شوي یو. I think we have met before. I think we have met before. آیا ته زما आवाज اورې؟ Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? زه څه وکړم؟ What shall I do? What shall I do? آیا ته بیمار یې؟ Are you sick? Are you sick? بهر باران دی. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. ته چرته کېناستل غواړې؟ Where would you like to sit? Where would you like to sit? مهرباني وکړه په ښکته आवाज خبرې کوه. Please speak in a low voice. Please speak in a low voice. ما ته پته نشته چې هغې ته پته شته او که نه. I don't know if he knows it. I don't know if he knows it. ما ته پته نشته چې هغې ته څه پته ده. I don't know what they know. I don't know what they know. ما هغه ته مخکې کله هم نه و کتلي. I had never seen him before. I had never seen him before. زه هغې سره په ړومبي ځل ملاویږم. I'm meeting her for the first time. I'm meeting her for the first time. تا خو ډېر زیات ټایم واړو. څه دې کول؟ You took so long. What were you doing? You took so long. What were you doing? آیا زه ستا موبایل کتلی شم؟ Can I have a look at your phone? Can I have a look at your phone?